Hello, I'm Yasmin, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to get one of these to dislike you. Now, the first thing you do to get it to dislike you is to blow its feathers. It doesn't like that. See, very irritated. Are you going to react? No. Okay. The second thing is to give him one of these and then take it away from him. He doesn't like that. You've been pooing. Ugh. And I'm going to take a break from making this video because he just did a dump on that mirror before I picked it up and I didn't see it. Evil budgie. He's dead, by the way. I'm not going completely insane.